Hello students, we all were going through one chapter, that is light, and from that chapter we have started the topic that is defects of vision, and we have already sent you some study material and the videos about the topic short-sightedness, that is the myopia, and today we will read about hypermetropia or the long-sightedness. Okay. So at first, the definition, that what do you mean by hypermetropia or the long-sightedness? So see, it is such type of defect in which a person can see the distant objects clearly, but he cannot see the nearby objects clearly. See in this picture, the person can see the distant object but cannot see the nearby objects. That's why he make this book at a far so that he can see it clearly. That means, what is hypermetropia? Hypermetropia is such type of eye defects in which a person can see the objects which are at a far distance, but he cannot see the objects which are nearer to him. Now, causes, that why this hypermetropia causes. So see, it is having two causes. First one is what? That is, first one is the decrease in the eyeball, length of the eyeball. See, eyeball, actual size of the eyeball should be up to this. But what happens? Its size uses to be decreases and it become up to this. This is the eyeball. Eyeball decreases. So if the eyeball decreases, that time what happens? See, by default you know that this is the retina, and if the eye is perfect, then its image should form at the retina. But since its since its eyeball decreases, means length of the eyeball decreases. So what happened? It shifted up to this. But by default, the eye makes its image here, means it's original retina. But retina shifted here. That means there is a problem. It should form here, but it is forming here. So the eye cannot see the object clearly. Means writing uses to become hazy for him. Okay. Now, how to correct this one? We can correct this one by using one lens. This lens is what? This lens is the convex lens. So in convex lens, what they do? See, convex lens, you know that all these lines which should pass in this way, but it converges these rays, and it's converge in this way, and instead of passing up to this, it becomes straight, and in this way it meet at a smaller distance, and its images used to be formed here, so the person can see the object clearly. Okay. Now another reason, there is another reason also, that why this hypermetropia causes. Another reason is this lens which is in our eye, this convex lens. What happens in case of convex lens? In convex lens, it is having some focal length, and focal length increases. Means, suppose initially its focal length up to this, but its focal length become up to this. So that time again what happened? You know that its images are formed here. It forms its images here. And retina is there. Suppose in the second case, its retina is, means this is the original eyeball. So retina is here up to in this portion. But what happened? Image is forming here. So in this case also the same problem occurs, and person cannot see the object clearly. So these two are the problems. And how it can be corrected? It can also be corrected by using convex lens. By using the convex lens, the distance, these lines becomes converge, and it meet up to here. And in this way, the images are forming at front, means which is required, and the person can see the object clearly. Understood?